Hi, I'm Anthony Lewis, owner of Moat House Farm Logs. We're a family business and we've been trading for 9 years. We started off with a little Brown's log splitter on the back of a tractor, just supplying a few local friends, family and pubs. And every year we've grown from that little start. We've had processors from Firewood, from Posh, we've had a Fun, and here today, 9 years on, we've got 2 Posh processors, a 376, which is new this year, and a 415 Vario. So we had one of the first machines we had off Firewood was a Transsaw. Great machine, great service from Firewood, but we outgrew that machine as our sales grew. We went from that to Fun, which is a good machine, but we wanted to make things better for our staff, more user-friendly. So then we went to Posh machines. Had great service in Posh. We've ended up with a Posh 415 Vario, which makes our lovely square uniform sized logs, which our customers love. We run that machine with a Posh 376, so we can handle all sizes of timber from 4-inch up to 17-inch. We only process 2 days a week, but in those 2 days of the week, we can process 3 arctics of timber. We've got a really efficient system that's grown through the experience of the years. We have 2 processors feeding into 1 cleaner. We have a JCB telehandler with a log grab which feeds both processors, and then we have 1 chap who's on a forklift emptying the crates and keeping the operating area nice and tidy for the staff. Last year we introduced the Posh Log Fix cleaner to the system. We clean all the logs before they go into the drying kilns, so we're not cleaning the main logs, so we're maximising our drying capacity, and that cleaner also acts as a buffer system, so the processors don't stop when we're changing cages. All the operators have to do on the log processors is concentrate on splitting the logs. They don't have to mess around with changing cages or emptying the rubbish. Under the log fix, we have a system of conveyors emptying all the rubbish into hoppers, so it keeps the work environment clean and tidy. When we first started in the log business, we soon realised that we couldn't keep up with demand with just seasoning our logs. It was on a farm show where I came across Glenfarrow, and after a meeting with Glenfarrow we went and had one of their large kilns. 6 months after having that kiln, we added another one to the system, running 2 40-foot drying containers. Last year we had added a 3rd recirculating kiln to give us more drying capacity and keep up with demand. We dry in the metal crates, which is great for ease of use and safety. We started with the bags, but we weren't getting good drying out of the bags. The crates give us a more uniform drying. The crates, you can see, they're made by a local fabricator who's based on our yard. So it's all British steel, made within our yard. Like our timber, we use locally sourced, British grown timber, predominantly cut within a 50-mile radius of our yard. Once the timber's dried, we run it over another posh cleaner. This time a Log Fix XL, to give a final clean. So everything that our customer gets has been run over the cleaner twice. There's no rubbish in the bags at all, and no smalls either. Waste we get from the bagging process and the logging process, we've just invested in a Heisermack chipper from Firewood and a Heisermack hopper to feed the chipper. This wood that we get will run our 2 kilns 24/7, so nothing is wasted at all in the process. So all our timber is delivered in bulk bags. We do 2 sizes, the 85, 85, 85 bags and the full cubic metre bags. All the bags have fold over covers, because there's nothing worse dropping your bags off, driving past a week later when it's been pouring down rain and seeing your lovely kiln dried logs sat outside someone's house soaking wet and they're phoning up and moan about they won't burn. As we got into delivering in bulk bags, we saw an opportunity to advertise our brand and grow our brand. All the bags got our logo on them and the Woodsure Ready to Burn logo on as well. We deliver using 2 transit vans with high-ab cranes mounted on the back of them, so there's no manual handling of the bags. The transits have side nettings and a rollover sheet, so they comply with all the regulations. We delivering a 15-mile radius of our yard. We're fortunate to have been in a very built-up area around Stafford. Started marketing on Facebook Marketplace, and soon after that we realised we needed more professional, built our own website, and then 3 years ago my wife joined the business. She looks after all the ordering and the payments. You can order off our website with simple drop-down menu where you can put your number of bags, bag size and kindling, and any instructions you want for where you want your bag dropped, because you don't have to be there when we deliver. A lot of the deliveries with our crane systems, we can put the bags over walls, over fences, into garages, next to their log store. As far as the van can get and the crane will reach, we'll drop your bag off. So in our time being in the log business, we found it very important to build relationships with our machinery suppliers and our log suppliers, our timber suppliers. Building those relationships with your timber suppliers is one of the most important things. To have a good, consistent supply of timber that you can turn into good quality logs. You can't turn rubbish timber into good logs, unfortunately. And we're going to see a difficulty in sourcing that timber in the future. I think we need to educate the customers on, one is bag size, so they don't just think a cubic metre is the same as a builder's bag, and the difference between different types of timber. Softwood will take up a bigger market share going in the future. It's so much more sustainable, it burns well. We've just got to educate the customer of the advantage of softwood. All our staff are farm background. They'll work on farms through the summer and come on the processing in the winter months when they're not busy doing farm work. They bring a good skill set with them. They are one of the most important assets we've got is good staff. Keeping staff, training staff is a must. All our staff trained by Jess B. Wilson on the posh machines, and they've got the tickets for those machines. I think it's very important from a health and safety point of view that all staff have adequate training. Last year we started doing our own kindling. We bought this Kindlet 200 from Firewood to get us into the job. We sell probably about 120, 140 nets a week, which is enough at the moment. We don't have any visions of doing wholesale. It's just that we can provide our customers with a good product of locally sourced timber. We know all our kindling is made from locally sourced and not imported timber, which we're very passionate about. All our wood, all our logs, all our kindling coming from the local area.
Well, thank you for having me over. I've loved seeing you settle. I think it's been absolutely great. Look forward to seeing you again soon.
Thank you, Joe. Thank you for coming out and spending some time with Moat House Farm Logs.
Yeah, perfect. See you all soon.
Bye.